Hello children, today we are going to write a new letter Q. Q says queen. All of you look carefully how ma'am is writing the letter. All of you have learned writing letter O. So first you have to write letter O. Touching the lines properly, you will write letter O. Then you will make a small slanting line. You will start making the slanting line from inside the letter O. Make a slanting line, come down and touch the blue line and stop. Once again, look how ma'am is writing. You have to write letter O first. And then you will make a small slanting line starting from inside. Make one small slanting line, come out, touch the blue line and stop. This is how you are going to write the full page. It's so easy. Enjoy learning.